In this video, I'm going to show you a complete step-by-step guide on how to pause your store for maintenance on Shopify. So what you're going to do firstly is to just log into your Shopify store, as you can see, and then you should be able to be taken to this page right here. So what you're going to do firstly is to click where it says online store right here, as you can see, and then you're going to click on preferences right here, because then you should be able to be taken to this page right here. So what we're going to do first is to scroll down here and make sure that this one restrict access to visitors with the password, that this one is enabled in here. And also write, for example, we're currently sold out. We are back at, yeah, you can write like whatever kind of date in here that you want to be able to write. For example, you don't have to write we're currently sold out. You can see like we are paused for maintenance, for example. That is also something that you can actually write. Don't forget to click on save, by the way, and so that your visitors that are currently visiting the store will be able to know that you currently right now are not open, basically. And when you have done so, we can just go back and click on online store once again here, scroll down and click on customize right here. As you can see, I'm just going to see that you will be able to know exactly how it's going to look. So I'm just going to write password in here. And as you can see, opening soon, be first to know when we launch. This is going to be what the customers are going to see now when you have actually logged your store. And they can see right here, we're currently sold out. We're back at, as you can see, this is what the visitors are going to be able to see, basically, just so you know. So I'm just going to click on exit. The next step is going to be for you to come back to this page right here. So now on this page, then what you're going to do is to click on settings right here. So click on settings, then you're going to click on plan right here. And perfect. As you can see, you should now be taken to this page right here. So if you're currently paying for a plan on Shopify, then you will be able to see in here where it says change plan. So click on change plan, and then you will be able to either change to another plan, or if you cannot find the plan where it says that, you can just pause and build, because the pause and build plan will cost you $9 instead of the usual $29, for example, if you're paying for the starter plan. So just change to the plan that says pause and build. If you cannot find it, you can always click where it says deactivate store, and hopefully in there you will be able to see the pause and build option in there pop up. So just change to pause and build, because what will happen is that you will now pay much less, or a little bit less, than if you have any other plans on Shopify, basically, and then you can just continue building your store for a lower monthly cost. So that is basically exactly how you can actually pause your Shopify store for maintenance.